Taking part in the Quality Mark has brought the trustees, the staff and the volunteers together as a team and has reminded us of the good work we do. It's given us renewed enthusiasm and the motivation to keep improving our organisation for the benefit of the young people we work with.
The process helped us to reflect on our own work. We're quite a large team, so we were able to take time to understand what other colleagues and teams within our large service do. It helped us reflect on how we've adapted to meet the changing needs of young people. I think it encouraged closer collaborative working processes, and then that continued well after the process was over.
It enabled us to look at everything that we do across the organisation, across all levels, and involve everybody: volunteers, youth workers, board members, managers, chief executives, young people, everyone who's involved.
We've been able to evidence the true impact of our work, and this is something that we've been looking to do, and going through the process we were able to do this. We were able to reflect on our current programme and systems, and we've been able to make changes so they benefit young people.
Being involved in the Quality Mark has encouraged us to challenge ourselves more, asking ourselves, are we ensuring young people are truly involved and participative throughout all the work that we do?
It was a huge piece of work in terms of actually collating, dissecting, looking at how we do everything.
It has helped us to look at the way we evaluate our work and how we must keep involving young people in our decision making. EWC has also been really encouraging and supportive, which has given us motivation.
It also enabled us to work as a team. Even young people are involved in the process of going through it, and it's formed a lot of togetherness within the organisation.
What we did as a direct result of the participation in the Youth Work Quality Mark was to examine how we support our colleagues and how we work as a team. So it enabled us to do that and improve that.
The Quality Mark is an excellent way to reflect on your own service, expand on those reflections by being peer reviewed and listening to external opinions and perspectives. It's a brilliant way to share good practice throughout the youth work sector.
The Youth Work Quality Mark is, quite frankly, a badge of honour within the sector.
I would encourage other organisations to get involved with the Quality Mark.
Go for it, don't delay, take the plunge.
It's just really important to celebrate what you do and to share best practice, so that as a sector we have an opportunity to look at what's good, look at what we can improve and make us stronger collectively.
It's a really worthwhile experience, and I wish everyone the best of luck.